Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to uncover your audience's interests and turn them into high-performing tweets using Circleboom. First, go to Circleboom Twitter and log into your account. Then, once you're on the dashboard, head to the left-hand menu. Click on Analytics, and from the drop-down, select Interest Cloud. Circleboom will automatically analyze your followers' tweets and bio descriptions. Next, look at the keyword cloud on your screen. These keywords represent the topics your audience talks about the most, based on both their tweets and bios. Check the percentages shown next to each keyword. This tells you how frequently each interest appears, so you can clearly see which topics dominate your audience's attention. If you want to keep this data, click the download option and save the interest cloud as a PNG, JPG, SVG, or PDF. Then use these insights to guide your content. Pick high-frequency keywords and create tweets that match what your audience already cares about. And click on X Post Planner plus AI Writer. Then select Write and Plan Your Post to start creating your tweet. Then write your tweet directly in the editor, or click the AI Writer option to instantly generate a tweet based on your topic if you want to move faster. After that, add a visual to make your post more engaging. Click to upload an image or video from your device, choose one from Unsplash, or design something instantly using Canva. Next, highlight key parts of your text, open the font generator toolbar, and apply styles like bold, italic, underline, or different font variations to make your tweet stand out in the feed. Then scroll to the auto repost settings and enable auto retweet. Choose when your tweet should be reposted, set it to unrepost later, and repeat the cycle if needed. This keeps your content visible longer and boosts engagement without extra effort. After that, if you want to expand your reach even more, enable cross-post to automatically share the same tweet across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Threads, and Blue Sky. Finally, click Schedule. Set your date and time, or click Find Your Best Posting Time to use Circleboom's smart suggestions. Then confirm to schedule your post at the optimal time.